Hi, I'm Alexander from René Paris. Today I'm going to talk to you about this gorgeous wig. This is Brooklyn. I love Brooklyn. Brooklyn is in the Alexander Couture Collection and is amazing. She's a high heat wig, which is great. I love high heat wigs. I love to be able to straighten them, curl them, wave them, do lots of different things with that high heat texture. But something came to me the other day. One of my friends said to me, she's like, Alexander, I love Brooklyn, but and she's new to wearing wigs, and she said, but if I was to get this out of the box, brand new, I'd love this curl, but how much can I do with it? And that made me think, well, you might not necessarily want to tong it or straighten it. You might just want to brush it out and know how far you can go with a brush out. Well, I love this texture, but I agree. So I think let's try it brushed out. So what I've got is I've got a clip. It was just on my back pocket. I have a tail comb, which is also a bit of a teasing comb, and I have a nice big chunky brush. Okay, so it's a ball bristle brush, a natural brush to brush through. That is all I need. So first I'm going to work in this quarter of the head. Okay, so I'm going to work in this quarter. So if you imagine we're going to split the head up into quarters from the parting right down to the nape, and then split the ears, and we'll work in 4 sections. So first off, and remember this is just a brush out, so we don't need to, go section by section as if you were doing, let's say, a colour or you were applying hair extensions, but we do want to have a little bit of an organised fashion to the brushing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple of sections, big one right here, and just going to go in. Now, I have my mannequin head is on a wig clamp today on a table, so I need to be a little bit careful not to brush and pull her off the table. Brush through, see how we get that slightly different texture. And again, I'm going to brush through. Again, brushing through, brushing through. When I show you like this, straight on, you can see the difference. And then what I do, just to break it up a little bit, just use that René of Paris wig lift comb, and that gives us this more kind of softer, a bit more of a water wave, if you like. I want to thank you all our viewers, for all your feedback. We had the feedback last year that you guys wanted to see a lot more longer greyer wigs, both for fashion and natural biological looking greys. So here at René Paris, we listen to our viewers, we listen to our customers, and we try to deliver the goods. What do you think, guys? I mean, for me, it's really, really hard to make my decision whether I like it in the original beach wave or this water wave. Yeah, I suppose I'll have to make I can't make a decision really. I think I'm going to say I'm on the fence. I like both. I really, really like this. For me, it's a little bit of a day to night, almost. Like this is a little bit more of a kind of elegant, kind of evening kind of wave, if you like. Looks really, really good. She looks stunning. So there we have it, guys. That is Brooklyn. And Brooklyn, we've been working with her in silver brown MR today. And Brooklyn comes out of the box in a beautiful beach wave texture. So what did I do? I brushed it through to just connect the waves a little bit and give us a bit more of a water wave, which this is, which I think looks lovely. Which do you prefer? I like both. I've got to say, it's nice in a wig to have the versatility. And with Brooklyn being heat friendly, she can do a lot more versatile type things. What would you do with that? What would you style? How would you do it? Would you like it like this? Would you do it straight, curly, whichever? Interested to hear your feedback. But for now, you've been tuning in to me, I'm Alexander. This is the René Paris channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.